मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आफ्टर पीपल विल सी दिस फिल्म पीपल आर गोना लव योर वर्क ऑल ऑफ योर। मैं बहुत नर्वस था, मैंने बोला ये सब थिएटर एक्टर ये तो मतलब अलग दुनिया से आए हैं जो आज की दुनिया है और कितने प्रिपेयर्ड होते होंगे। जब मैंने कहानी सुनी और मैंने अपना कैरेक्टर को देखा कि पढ़ते वक्त कि कैसे उसकी ग्राफ है और मैंने बस बोल दिया अभी मुझे ऐसा मौका मिला है मैं छोड़ने नहीं वाला।
So guys, welcome on Bollywood Hungama and congratulations for a very fine film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bobby, my first question to you is, would you consider Class of 83 as your career best performance?
मैं खुद की तो पता नहीं, मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि this is a character I was searching for, something with such dimension, with that strong character which I was searching for so many years. और जब मैंने कहानी सुनी तो मैं इतना खुश था कि एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर मुझे मिल रहा है, क्योंकि क्या है ना कि मैंने अभी डिसाइड कर लिया अपने करियर में कि मैं ऐसे कैरेक्टर ढूंढना चाहता हूँ जो एज एन एक्टर विल मेक अ डिफरेंस टू माई करियर. It doesn't have to be the main star of the film. It has to be character with a lot of substance. तो उस हिसाब से जब मैंने पढ़ा तो मैंने अपना पूरा जी जान लगाकर इस पे काम किया, क्योंकि मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं ऐसे और मैं वो खोना नहीं चाहता था. तो थैंक यू सो मच यार, तेरे को मेरी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी लगी. मैं तो खुद अभी इतना वो हो रहा हूँ, एम्बैरेस, खुश भी हो रहा हूँ.
I'll tell you something honestly. There's a newfound respect that I have for you as an actor. I'm really keen to know what you will be doing next because this is a really impressive performance. I'm sure that once people watch the film, you will be getting a great response, and there's a lot more that you can do. The best part is, that entire element कि वो अब सुधा बोलती हैं कि grey अपना रहने देना, it looks good on you. The moment a hero accepts that, I think the stardom begins. That's what I feel, honestly.
Thank you, yaar. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you so much. Yaar.
All right. No, I genuinely mean it. And so the 5 boys, we have 3 of them right now with us. And I think even you guys have delivered, I think, really fine performances. Really impressive stuff. So, okay, so if we can have brief introduction from you guys, and then we'll proceed further. So starting with you, Hitesh, because people are yet to know about you guys. Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having us over. It's a pleasure. I'm Hitesh Bhojraj. I'm playing the role of Vishnu Varde in the film. And I have a theatre background. I'm an actor, singer, voiceover artist. That's a little about me. And I think I'll let the other boys speak now.
Hi, okay, so Samir.
Hi, this is Samir Paranse. I'm playing Aslam Khan's character. And I'm an engineer turned actor. तो थोड़ा बहुत काम किया है मैंने मराठी इंडस्ट्री में, कर चुका हूँ, थिएटर बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, एंड दिस इज माय फर्स्ट मेन स्ट्रीम हिंदी फिल्म.
ऑलराइट, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
एक्टर हूँ, आपको काफ़ी टाइम से देखता आ रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच हमें अच्छे रिव्यूज़ देने के लिए. आपकी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ सिनेमा है वो कमाल है, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं मुंबई शिफ्ट हुआ 2-3 साल पहले. मैं थिएटर करता हूँ, NSD से ग्रेजुएट हूँ और एक्टर बनने की इच्छा है. आगे बॉम्बे देखते हैं क्या होता है.
No, I think you have some. No, I'm sure that you guys have.
No,
they're very good talents.
Amazing talents यार. Because मुझे याद है हम लोग जब, जैसे मैंने इनसे भी कहा कितनी बार, हम लोग जब पहली बार मिले थे तो हम लोग साथ बैठ के वर्कशॉप कर रहे थे और मैं बहुत नर्वस था. मैंने बोला ये सब थिएटर एक्टर ये तो मतलब अलग दुनिया से आए हैं जो आज की दुनिया है और कितने प्रिपेयर्ड होते होंगे. मेरे से लाइन्स नहीं पढ़ी जा रही थी और इन लोग को देख रहा हूँ ये तो बिना देखे पढ़ रहे हैं लाइन. मैंने बोला यार तुम लोग कमाल हो यार. नहीं सर, दे डोंट वांट मी टू फील बैड. नहीं सर, हमको ना 2-3 दिन पहले मिल गई थी. अच्छा हाँ, फिर भी 2-3 दिन पहले मिली. तुम लोगों को तो ऐसा लगता है कि तुम लोग तो इसके साथ जीते जागते रहते हो.
But sir, as a fact, it was a fact. We were really like we auditioned with this stuff. एंड ऐसा नहीं, आपको सर भूपेंद्र ने जैसे कह रहा था कि हम खुद डरे हुए थे. वहाँ बहुत ज्यादा से फेस पे दिख रहा था कॉन्फिडेंस. हम बहुत डरे हुए थे सर. वो आने तक
इट वाज लाइक रिवर्स मैकेनिज्म.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आफ्टर पीपल विल सी दिस फिल्म पीपल आर गोना लव योर वर्क ऑल ऑफ योर. और
डेफिनेटली
हमेशा कहता हूँ कि सब लोग आप लोग ना फ्यूचर में देखना बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा बनोगे इंडस्ट्री का. I wish
No,
you
no,
all the
definitely.
best.
There's not about that. And I think the reason for Dean to select these 5 was that कि थोड़ा सा कुछ हटके हैं, किसी से डरते नहीं हैं, honest है. And you know the best part is that as actors, they don't seem to be in awe of Bobby Deol, who's had such a substantial body of work behind him, and they can be provocative, they can be at times insulting as well. And I think that chemistry that you guys have at many a moment, I think that was brilliant. That really stays with you, seriously. So congratulations to you guys. So Bobby, I think it is a gangster film that we've not seen before, because there's so many gangster films that have been made on Mumbai. But this is, I feel, something that we've not seen before. That surprises you. There's a lot of cerebral element, especially in your character, in terms of जो आपकी बातें हैं कि that excellence को किस तरीके से recognize नहीं किया जाता है. I think the writing in behind that is something which is new. Tell us something about S. Hussain Zaidi's contribution, Atul Sabharwal, the director, and I think Abhijit Deshpande. Abhijit is the writer.
Yeah.
He's a screenplay writer.
Yeah. The
So
thing
tell us
is,
something about these guys.
I never got a chance to interact with Hussain Zaidi because he was was
Right.
busy writing and doing his stuff. All we were told is that it's going to be based on his book, which he's writing at that point when we started the film. And so my interaction basically was more with Atul, and Atul knew exactly what he wanted. And I've always been an actor who completely gives himself to the director because he's the captain of the ship. So I think Atul
Right.
played a big major role in getting the performances out of all of us because he knew exactly मतलब कितना ये character कहाँ तक ऐसे जाएगा और कैसे उस the space of the character, and he would exactly give us that kind of a slight brief and then we would just go with it. I mean, all these boys, I mean, it was just amazing the way, because it, you know, my dad always says कि आप के सामने आप action reaction होता है basically. तो अगर आपके characters इतने अच्छी तरह से लिखे गए, dialogues इतने अच्छे हैं, तो अंदर से ही वो emotions अपने आप become more easier, and then the actor in front of you is also emoting so well. So as you said, the chemistry, it just comes out then, you know. So I think really well written. That's the whole thing, you know. I mean, and also you say it's a very different kind of a police film because it is. It is not
Yeah.
in the commercial zone, but that doesn't make it non-commercial. It's just एक अलग नजरिया दिखाने के लिए कि पुलिस वालों के साथ होता क्या है. एक actually basically कहानी है हर एक इंसान की. जैसे ये सब कैडेट्स हैं, लेकिन ये इनकी लाइफ की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, हम मेरे कैरेक्टर की लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, और उन चीज़ों को लेकर एक कहानी चलती है. आप ये नहीं सोच रहे कि ये पुलिस वाला है, आपको ये भी फीलिंग आती है कि नहीं, इसकी कहानी, इसका एक बेटा है जो इससे अपसेट है, इसकी वाइफ है जो बीमार है लेकिन फिर भी चाहती है कि ये लाइफ में कुछ, जो इतना सच्चा इंसान है ये वही करे जो इसको खुश करता है, और ये खुद चाहता है. लेकिन जब ऐसी चीज़ें आती हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें हर इंसान के लाइफ में आती हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक, यू नो, the human aspect of every character in this film. You know, how it changes,
Absolutely.
how greed makes them change, how power makes them change. So you see it through the boys because they're shown as they're starting off into a new life, and you see how easily you can get taken in by the society, by the way the world operates, and that's what this film tries to show. You know, that's what's exciting and interesting about this film.
I felt there's a new way of defining heroism. वो बड़े बड़े डायलॉग्स नहीं हैं डिफाइन करने के लिए या फिर मारने के लिए. डायलॉग्स भी हैं, पंची स्टफ इज देयर, बट वो एक जो पैराफर्नेलिया होता है जो यूजुअली हम लोग देखते हैं, तो वो चीज नहीं. इट इज समथिंग दैट यू टेंड टू फील एज अ व्यूअर about what he's going through in terms of, and he is a hero in spite of his shortcomings and flaws. And उसके अलावा एक चीज जो which I like was कि sentimentality नहीं, you know, emotions हैं, लेकिन it doesn't approach things from a sentimental point of view कि किसी चीज के आप उसमें जा रहे हैं, घुसने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं beyond the point. It is something which is very very cut to cut. As an actor who has worked in a lot of the film that defined heroism in the conventional Bollywood sense, how different was it for you as an actor?
That's exactly what the point you brought out is exactly what I felt when I read it. It was about heroism, which was not larger than life. It was heroism it was heroism about a normal person living in a city. His heroism, when he has no way he can do what he wants to do, but still he's trying to do things which are heroic, which is exactly what every individual in our own personal lives tries to do. You know, we all try to do things which we can do in the right way and be heroic about it. Not that we want that kind of acclaim, but it's just that this is a natural form of heroism. You know, every individual has it in them. It's just that when push comes to shove, that heroism comes out, and exactly that's what it tries to portray through these characters.
Right. So वर्दी पर दाग नहीं लगना चाहिए. That was important. So you know, Bhupendra, that particular scene where you go to a newspaper office with your wife and that entire tussle that you have with Varde about the number of encounters that you guys have done. You know, I think I felt it was a beautiful scene with your wife just challenging your manhood. कि देखो क्या हो रहा है. That was outstanding.
कहा ना उसने.
Tell us.
सच्ची में वो सीन कमाल.
That's
सीन
beautiful.
कमाल का था. उसकी सॉरी बिफोर यू स्पीक, उसकी तेरी वाइफ का भी जो रिएक्शन आ रहे थे ना बीच में,
Perfect.
कि मेरे हस्बैंड के बारे में परफेक्ट थे वो.
वो शुरुआत से ही था स्पिरिट में कि इस फिल्म में वर्दे और शुक्ला का एक अंदरूनी टसल तो है, वो चल रहा है. और ये हर बार नहीं दिखता है. ये कहीं कुछ जगहों पे, क्योंकि ह्यूमन नेचर है. हम अपने अंदर की चीज़ों को हमेशा बाहर नहीं दिखाते हैं. वो किसी मोमेंट पे, किसी जगह पे जब आपको लगता है कि यार यहाँ ये मुझसे आगे बढ़ रहा है, वहीं आपका जो एंगर है वो निकलता है. तो थ्रू आउट द फिल्म आप ये देख भी नहीं पाएंगे कि क्या टसल है, कैसा है. वो बहुत ही खुरदुरे, बहुत ही हल्के तरीके से वो निकलता है. पर जब निकलता है तो फिर पूरा तरीके से निकलता है. और क्योंकि ये समझ थी स्क्रिप्ट लेवल के ऊपर कि चीज़ें मेरे और उसके बीच में थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनकाउंटर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ charm, in terms of anything. So मुझे और ये परफॉर्म करने का मौका एक आध जगह पे ही मिला, तो आई थॉट कि क्यों ना इसे किया जाए.
आपने काफी जगह पे आपने परफॉर्म किया है, बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया है. ना वर्दे का जो आपने जो निभाने की कोशिश करी है, इट इज वेरी हीरोइक. यू नो, इट इज लाइक अमिताभ बच्चन. वो लग रहा है कि अमिताभ बच्चन का फैन है. वो उसी टशन में है. वो उसी टशन में उसका सारा पूरा मतलब no nonsense. You know, you have a very good scene with that guy is not here right now, but जो mill workers के ऊपर था.
Yes.
और कैसे कि that
yes.
You know, it's a beautiful scene because that captures the 80s of Bombay beautifully in terms of
yes.
that cotton क्या था और mill workers and the entire, you know, that सारा जो लाल सलाम and जो जिस तरीके से आप लोगों ने वो एक पूरा mood को आपने sentiment को सामने रखा है. That was a wonderful scene. If you can tell us something about that particular scene, please.
Thank you, sir. First of all, and so just the fact that scene has come out to you and to your notice just speaks about the writing of it and speaks about the direction of it. Because as actors, we had the script to fall back onto. It's not that we sat down and we created that scene. That was the scene, and full credit to Atul sir and just on a script level. And the scene became beautiful because all of us five was so much in hand in glove in tandem with each other. We knew each other's beats, we knew each other's reactions. So it was actually us five friends sitting, and it became like an organic situation where five friends are having dinner. और वो एक बात तो होता है ना, आर्गुमेंट हो जाती है. अब भूपेंद्र शुक्ला वहाँ केकड़े पे लगे हुए हैं, कुछ असलम रोकने में लगा हुआ है कि भैया रुक जा यार, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या ये हेगड़ी क्या है. And just how Bhupendra said, how Sir said, that push comes to shove, something comes out, right? So it's about those friends, but there was this one point that hits Ninad's character, that it's my father you're sort of talking about. And Varde, being unaware, has touched a nerve of his own friend. And then that tussle starts. I'm not trying to speak about your father, I'm trying to speak about something that I believe in. This is what I believe in. And then how it's like it's so organic that 4-5 दोस्तों के बीच में झगड़ा हुआ, सबने शांत कर दिया और बात आगे बढ़ी. And it was great that the treatment also was like that. We were told not to do anything heroic over there. it was just be and just be amongst each other. In fact,
Right.
I love the part where all of us have fed off each other. When all of us said sorry, when I look at them and they say sorry,
Yeah.
bol de, sorry bol de, and everyone has a different way of saying that, and it just gives,
Yeah.
as Bobby sir said, it's action reaction. So it just gave me more to play with. Sameer's character
It's
was
just
like, sorry bol de, dikkat hai kya?
no, but the funniest end
Yeah.
of it is that after you say you're sorry, his character says नहीं कोई बात नहीं, तू सच बोल रहा था.
तू सच बोल रहा है.
Exactly.
But that happens, sir.
Yeah,
होता है ना कि आपको realization हो गया दोस्तों से.
मतलब इंसल्ट की, लेकिन तू सच बोल रहा था.
हाँ.
Tell us something that Bobby, you also turn a grandfather in the film. Did you have any apprehensions when it was being narrated to you? Because I personally felt, as an actor, it's a great move to just go with the character, because, and I'm very sure that it will do a world of good to your career from here on. I'm very sure about that.
That's so.
But
Thank you, yaar. Thank
did you have apprehensions? Did you have apprehensions when it was told that?
जब मैंने कहानी सुनी और मैंने अपना कैरेक्टर को देखा कि पढ़ते वक्त कि कैसे उसकी ग्राफ है, I was looking for something like this. और मैंने बस बोल दिया अभी मुझे ऐसा मौका मिला है, मैं छोड़ने नहीं वाला. एंड ऑफ द डे हम सब एक्टर्स हैं, हम सब एक कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं. तो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इफ यू कैन पोर्ट्रे द कैरेक्टर द राइट वे विद द राइट इमोशंस, you will come out and you will attract people's attention because that's what they wanted. हम लोग जब फिल्म देखते हैं तो हमें हमेशा 2-3 कैरेक्टर्स हो ना घर ले जाते हैं अपने साथ, क्योंकि वो याद रह जाते हैं कि उसने उस कैरेक्टर ने ऐसे किया था, उस कैरेक्टर ने वैसे किया था. मैं वो नहीं बनना चाहता था कि अरे उसने वो बाप बना, वो लग नहीं रहा था बाप, उसके इमोशंस सही नहीं थे. तो शायद मेरे ये 25 साल का करियर है, ऊपर से मैं बाप खुद हूँ, तो वो इमोशन जब आता है कि like when my sisters had their kids and then when I had my kids, I understand those emotions. And for me, it was never about visually looking and made to look an old person, but that is the beauty of the character. He's in his 50s.
Exactly.
And I'm in my 50s. Yeah. And also it was very funny because one day Atul came up to me, he says, Bobby, just walk like a 50-year-old man. I said, Atul, I'm a 50-year-old man only. So how different do you want me to walk?
No, I think that's beautifully done.
It has been a really good journey for
I'm
me,
sure.
and meeting all these young boys and young talent and great talent, and working with Shah Rukh's company, working for Netflix. It's just, I was so happy when I was doing this film. I remember the day I finished shooting, I felt so sad. We were shooting that sequence where they're all being trained in the rain, and that was my last day shooting, and I was leaving, and I didn't want to go away from all of them because we had such a good time together. It was just so nice sitting with them and chatting with everyone, and it was one of my most wonderful experiences of any movies I've done. It'll always stay with me for a long, I mean forever and ever. I'm just very happy.
Okay, and how was the experience?
Love you guys.
Love you too, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for being so sweet, sir. So, Fardeen sir, that's what you initially said.
आज कोरोना नहीं होता तो हम साथ में बैठ के कर रहे होते, और ये जरूर हमारे लिए गिफ्ट लाता है जो हमको जीतनी पड़ती. मैं तो वो मिस कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, वो तो सर हमने देखे इंटरव्यू वैसे वाले.